All right, so anyway, we got the 3-in-1 multi-charging station. Although we just don't have a watch, we have an iPhone 13 and we also have the AirPods Pro. So we're gonna set this up and see how she works. Now we can open it up, take a look inside. Okay, so it does come with some instructions. And basically, we've got this piece, got a charging cord, we got a block, and it is USB regular. And then underneath this is the base, I do believe. Yes. So this looks pretty simple. It looks like pretty simple to set up. So I do believe that this would probably go here, like that. And then this looks like it goes here. But you have to undo this. Okay. And then you're gonna set your base here. And then you can adjust it for the phone. So if you look here, we just kind of, if you need to get your phone close, you can. If you need it back a little ways, you can. So you're gonna have to figure that out by putting your phone on there and then, you know, tightening this down. And once that's done, and then here's where you put your AirPods. And then this is a USB-C and this is USB-C. So that's it right there. Bam, Bob's your uncle. We can set that thing up easy. And this is gonna save you a lot of room and a lot of cords. That's what the smart thing is about it. So if you look here, this is all of your length. So you're gonna have to be fairly close to your outlet. That might be enough. That's like about a yard. So could work. This here goes on the back here. And USB-Cs are cool because it doesn't matter which way you put them. But the USB regular, you got to put it a certain way. And that's it, bam, done. Then you just shove her in and we're ready to go. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and plug this in down here. So we're gonna plug that in down there. We've got this going this way. Set it on there. And then we'll go ahead and take our AirPod case. We'll just set it on there like that. Push it in. Bam, that's ready to charge. And then you just put your phone here. So this is an iMax Pro. And all I do is just set her on there. If I can find the hole. Bam. And there, look, charging. I just leave it on there, it charges. Now, because the way I've got it, I may have to make it a little bit tighter. See how far away it is? So I don't want to bend that thing. So I can slide that closer by twisting this just a little bit. And I push this forward like that. And then lock it in. And now it's nice and even. So you're not putting pressure on your charger down here that's stuck in there. I may even get a little closer. Yeah, you want to have it so it's nice and even. It doesn't put pressure on it. And that's it. And then just bam, you're ready to go. If I can get it off of there now. There. All right, let's go ahead and put it on. You can see I need a charge, right? So let's slide it on there. Oh, look, that's perfect. Bam, done. Now all I need is a watch. I haven't got one yet.